Hey, what's good, trader homies? Your boy Kevin from Touchdown Trades. Just chilling in front of my Lamborghini here. You know, this is my Lamborghini. Let me show you my mansion real quick. Mansion right back there. Hard to see. Got the mansion right there. Hold on. Let me show you the Maserati real quick. We got the Maserati right there. Let me take you a tour of the compound real quick here. We got the compound over here. So we got the farm up here on the compound. We got chickens running around. We got some escaped chickens. We got escapees. 2 of my chickens escaped. You know, I got a bunch of exotic animals on my compound. That's how I do it. You know, here we got the backyard over here. Yep, so we got the Lambo, we got the Maserati, we got the farm. We got the entire compound because that's how day traders do it, right? Well, you guys obviously know I'm just kidding. Today, we're gonna be talking about the truth about day trading, what day trading, being a professional day trader is actually like, versus what the marketing tactics and the trading gurus will tell you what day trading is like. So stay tuned, and I'm gonna share with you guys the truth and the lies about the day trading industry. Alright, trader homies, we've left the Lamborghini and the Maserati outside. They're currently getting washed by my staff. The house, the gardener's outside trimming my bushes, and we've made our way back inside to the Touchdown Trades trading bunker. Welcome to Touchdown Trades, a channel where we talk about the hottest stocks in the stock market, day trading, swing trading, and I share my trades with you guys every single day. So if you're into that type of thing, consider subscribing. So you obviously know that was a joke. I drive a 2010 Honda Accord and live in a little ranch about 30 minutes outside of Atlanta in suburbia. So nothing flashy. I'm a professional full-time day trader. I make all of my living from day trading. And some of the stuff that I've been seeing on these marketing ads and ads all over social media about day trading, trying to sell chat rooms and courses, have kind of caught my eye, and I wanted to make a video comparing the truth about day trading with the lies about day trading. So let's jump right into this. So let's start out with the lies about day trading. Lie number 1 is going to be the amount of money that you can make day trading. And we see all these traders posting huge P&Ls talking about how they turned $500 into $1 million, or they made $2 million last year. Traders are just talking about how easy it is to make money day trading, and that is just not true. Day traders are you're not going to get rich day trading. The odds are you're not going to get rich day trading. Can you make a nice, solid, middle-class living from day trading, a decent size account? Absolutely. I am proof of that. I'm no genius, and I make a solid living day trading a little account. It's above PDT, but it's not a $500,000 account, right? And I make enough money to send my kid to private school, pay for that 2010 Honda Accord, and pay for this house. So you're not going to get rich day trading. You're not going to make millions and millions of dollars day trading. That's just not the way it works. But you can be successful and you can be profitable. But you're just not going to be driving around in Lamborghinis and Maseratis, flying private jets, and living in mansions. That's just a marketing tactic. Lie number 2 is that day trading is easy and that you can learn to do it in just a few weeks. That is absolutely the biggest lie out of the bunch, because day trading is not easy. It's not super complicated, and once you get the hang of it, you have a skill that you can use for the rest of your life, similar to learning any other type of skill, but it's not easy. And taking a 1-week course may lay a foundation and help you along your path and shorten the learning curve, but a course isn't going to make you instantly profitable. The only way to be profitable in the day trading game is screen time, screen time, screen time. And what I mean by that is waking up at 9 o'clock in the morning pre-market, logging onto your platform, watching the charts, and watching price action. And over time, you'll develop knowledge of patterns and price action, and be able to recognize what is what in the stock market. So lie number 2 is that day trading is easy. It is just not that simple. Lie number 3 is that you can day trade with as little as $500 and make a full-time income. That is just a marketing tactic used by these guys to try to sell people that don't have a decent size account their services, such as chat rooms or courses. Because sure, you should absolutely, if you only have $500 of disposable income, you should absolutely get involved in the stock market. Maybe swing trading or investing, get your feet underneath you, and if you want to day trade, save up your money and build an account. Or save up your profits from your small swing trading account or investing account and use that to build a day trading account. But if you're planning on opening a $500 account offshore somewhere so you don't have to adhere to the PDT rule, and you think you're going to quit your job and make a living from that $500 account, that is nonsense. So these so-called traders who are advertising, I turned $500 into $1 million, even if it's true that they did that, that is terrible to be teaching new people getting into the day trading space, because the odds of you being able to make a living off a $500 day trading account, I would say is like 0.0000001, and then add 500 more zeros before the other zeros I just said, because it's just not going to happen. It's a bunch of BS. Sure, paper trade for a couple weeks, get the basics down, but paper trading is nothing like the real game. It's nothing like trading real money. I'd much rather see new traders trading with 1 share of real money versus a paper trading account. Because paper trading accounts, the orders aren't the same. When you click buy with a paper trading account, you're automatically in. Boom. And that's not how it is when you're trading real money. And when you're trading with paper trading account, your emotions aren't the same as if you're trading with real money. So even if you have $5 on the line in a trade, $5 of real money, it's much better than paper trading. So open a small account with a US broker. You get 3 day trades a week and trade very, very small size for the first couple of months. Sure, paper trade for a couple weeks until you get the basics under you, but then open a small real day trading account. The final lie we're going to talk about is that these traders are using affiliate links to sell you expensive scanners and charting packages. You don't need expensive tools to be a profitable day trader. Everything you need is available for free. Scanners and charts. My platform, TD Ameritrade Thinkorswim, offers every tool you need to be a profitable day trader. They have good scanning and they have excellent charting. And there are many other free services out there that you can use to be a profitable trader without breaking the bank, getting in over your head as a beginner day trader. Check out the links below that I'll leave for free services that you can use to avoid spending too much money on scanning and charting packages. Alright, now that we get the lies, all those dirty, dirty, dirty little lies that these marketers are spitting down our throats, it makes me want to throw up. We got those lies out of the way. Let's talk about the truths of day trading. Truth number 1, day trading is hard work. It is not easy, but it's like riding a bike. Once you get it down, you got that skill for the rest of your life and you can use it forever. So you got to put in the work initially. You got to put in that maybe 1 year of hard work sitting in front of the computer grinding it out. But once you got it down, you got it down. It's just like any other skill, being a welder, plumber, electrician, going to school to be a lawyer. Once you have that skill, nobody can take it away from you, and you will carry it with you till the day you die. That's a great part about day trading. Truth number 2 is that you're probably not going to get filthy rich day trading, but you can earn a solid living, a solid income from day trading the stock market once you have the skill. You're not going to be flying around in private jets, sitting in the back of a Rolls Royce, drinking a martini while somebody else is driving you around the city to your penthouse. But you can get a nice car, a nice little house in the suburbs or wherever else you want to live, provide for your family by day trading. Is absolutely possible, and I'm proof of that. I'm no genius. I dropped out of high school. I ended up getting my GED and going to college and getting a degree, but I'm no genius, and I am proof that you can be a successful day trader. Truth number 4 is that chat rooms are horrible for new traders. You should learn from screen time. I'm not opposed to new traders taking courses, but I am opposed to new traders joining chat rooms. If you want to take a course from a verified profitable trader, the real course, not just like a DVD shipped to you in the mail, you watch the DVD for 3 hours and you call it a day and you think you're a day trader, no. But if you want to take a course from a verified profitable day trader, there's nothing wrong with that. But stay away from the chat rooms. They're filled with traders who are not profitable. They're calling out tickers, and it just can make your head spin with guys calling out, look at this ticker XYZ, look at this ticker XYZ, and you're just typing in the ticker real quick, looking at it, and the guy calling out the ticker, he's not even a profitable trader. You may have 500 dudes in a chat room with only maybe 4 or 5 profitable traders. The rest are new traders trying to learn. So stay away from the chat rooms. You're better off just sticking with trading by yourself or with a few other people. Find some trading friends, communicate with them at the end of the day, learn from screen time. You want to take a little course to get a foundation under you, nothing wrong with that. The final truth is my favorite truth, and that is you can work from home as a day trader and you can do it all from your underwear. I come in this office at 9 o'clock, turn on my computer, wearing my whitey tighties, I log on to my platform and I'm at work. No commute. My bedroom is right down the hall in the compound. I just go up the elevator, have my butler make me some coffee. I'm still wearing my whitey tighties, and then I come in here, sit down, I take the elevator down to the dungeon, Touchdown Trades trading dungeon, and then I'm here at work, no commute. That's the best part about being a day trader. You don't have to drive into the city, sit through rush hour traffic. You can just work from home, and it's great. So to conclude the video, guys, there's a lot of marketing out there trying to exploit new traders. You gotta come into this industry with your eyes wide open, realize that it's not gonna be easy, but it is possible if you put in the work. Stay away from the chat rooms, stay away from anybody marketing using flashy, expensive cars or flashy tactics to market you into their services. Stick with the real traders out there and you'll be fine. Screen time is everything. Sit in this chair every day, watch those charts, and you'll be good to go in no time. I appreciate the view, guys. This is Kevin from Touchdown Trades. Make sure to smash like, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace!
Drop.